Welcome to the grand finale of our Finance and Economics Masterclass. Over this comprehensive series, we have journeyed from the absolute bedrock of financial literacy to the highly sophisticated strategies used by the world's most elite investors. Today, we are tying every single module together into a cohesive, actionable roadmap so you can step out into the financial world and make highly profitable, data-driven decisions with your cash. Let us take a look at the wealth building engine we have built together. We started our journey in Module 1 by answering a fundamental question: what actually is money? We learned how humans escaped the friction of the ancient barter system by inventing money as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. We uncovered the truth behind the cash in your wallet, explaining why fiat money relies entirely on collective trust and government stability. Most importantly, we memorized the 4 vocabulary pillars that dictate every financial transaction: capital, liquidity, interest rates, and inflation. In Module 2, we took those fundamentals directly into the digital workshop. We opened up Excel to model compound interest, the single most powerful force in finance. You saw firsthand how interest earning interest creates an aggressive snowball effect over time. By mastering absolute cell references and dynamic formulas, we proved mathematically why starting early and maximizing compounding frequency transforms minor savings into generational wealth. From there, we scaled up our scope to explore the major playgrounds of capital. In Module 3, we unpacked financial markets, dissecting the difference between buying ownership via the stock market and lending capital through the bond market. In Module 4, we stepped into the shoes of corporate executives to study business strategy, learning how competitive advantages and economic moats protect a company's market share from aggressive competitors. To evaluate those businesses with precision, Module 5 taught us how to read and analyze the 3 core financial statements. You learned how the income statement tracks profitability, the balance sheet measures assets and liabilities, and the cash flow statement reveals the literal lifeblood of a company's operations. In Module 6, we transitioned from analyzing past corporate performance to looking into the future with capital budgeting. We mastered the exact evaluation frameworks corporate managers use to greenlight multi-million-dollar projects, using the payback period to measure liquidity risk, and deploying net present value and internal rate of return to ensure a project creates absolute value for shareholders. But corporate success is never guaranteed in a vacuum, which brought us to Module 7. Macroeconomics. We zoomed out to the global stage to analyze how gross domestic product, inflation, and unemployment act as the ultimate economic scorecard. You learned how governments use fiscal policy and how central banks manipulate monetary policy through interest rates to heat up or cool down the global economy. Recognizing that modern wealth requires long-term sustainability, Module 8 integrated ESG principles into our risk management framework. We learned to evaluate companies not just on pure profit, but on their environmental footprint, social corporate culture, and internal governance structures to avoid toxic corporate scandals and build resilient portfolios. Finally, in Modules 9 and 10, we put you in the driver's seat of your own wealth. We mastered portfolio diversification and management, using the mathematical power of non-correlated assets to maximize returns while minimizing catastrophic risk. You learned the art of strategic asset allocation and regular portfolio rebalancing. To put the final brick in your wealth engine, we explored alternative investments, moving beyond mainstream public markets into real estate, private equity, venture capital, and commodities to hedge against inflation and capture massive growth opportunities. You now possess a comprehensive, elite financial education. The jargon has been cleared away, the frameworks have been built, and the tools are in your hands. Financial literacy is not a destination, it is an active, lifelong competitive advantage. Thank you for dedicating your time and energy to this Finance and Economics Masterclass. Keep practicing with your models, stay disciplined with your capital, and continue building your financial freedom. I will see you in our next Masterclass series.
Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not legal, compliance, or financial advice. Please consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions.